both projects are dreamscape, ayusin nila na hindi magkagulo.
Kaya pala stress na si Mother B of late. Sa schedule mo.
No comment. Sa'yo.
Go ahead, Ruel. Sorry to
Ewan ko sino pwede sumagot dito. Kasi yung sa Inday Bote, laking pasasalamat nung ibang mga cast, yung mga supporting cast sa Dreamscape dahil like si Arjen Toliba sa kapagpatayo ng bahay sa tulong ng mga projects niya rito. Or even yung mga artista. Kayo ba, yung may mga material na ba kayong binubuo?
From their earnings, hindi
From
doesn't
your
have
earnings, oo.
Siguro lahat ng mga meron na. Or would you want everyone to?
Siguro yung mga pag-get siguro. At least mag-guidance siguro.
How do you, paano nyo inaano yung mga earnings?
Yung mga earnings niya.
Who handles your finances?
What's good about being under Star Magic is they have this thing called mandatory. So like in my case, lahat ng endorsements ko, hindi ko ginagalaw yun. Since I'm still under my mom's care, dun napupunta yun. So pag kailangan ko ng gamitin, makukuha ko. So it means I don't get to touch it. I only get to touch like certain money like from taping, from mga racket namin. So that's how I take care of my money.
Ikaw, Inigo.
Barely nyo si Inigo, so siguro hindi.
Ako naman po, I don't hold on to my money. It's with my parents. Nasa savings pa. And like what Julia said, I learned about that mandatory a couple months ago lang. So I think it's really smart. I mean, I heard marami na artista na nakapagtayo ng bahay because of that. And also, I think being practical and just saving up. Huwag mong bilhin yung hindi naman kailangan. Yeah.
Cornerstone and Star,
yes.
So co-management ka ng Cornerstone and Star Magic.
How about Miles?
Miles, matagal-tagal ka na dito, Miles.
Ako naman po, yun nga, yung being practical lang sa life. And nung bata pa po ako, ang Walang Langit days, nabili ko na po yung katabing house ng lola ko. So parang habang lumalaki po ako, yung, alam niyo po, yung nakikita ko kung saan napunta yung pinaghirapan ko. So ngayon, ipon lang po ng ipon hanggang sa makuha mo yung dream house mo talagang nasa isip mo.
This year naman bibili niyo yung katabing bahay ng kaaway niya.
Para chubby na.
Talagang lahat ng ano, no? Okay, Roel, go ahead.
Di ba beach to, Direk Don? Medyo beach ang peg ninyo. For sure.
But it's not a bitch.
Beach ba si Direk Don? For sure, may mga shirtless or mga eksena si Inigo.
Ano mo naman nakikita dito
Ang mga lalaki natin.
Okay, Direk. I know what Roel is coming from.
Para sa...
Siguro na naman yung age appropriate ang ipapakita. So, syempre, alangan ba namang nasa beach kapag naka-long sleeves, diba? So, kailangan din nilang magpaganda ng katawan to inspire people.
Nagkakanta naman si Tito Dante para sa kanyang ano.
Baka si Tito Dante mag-ano din, speedo, diba? Hindi natin alam. That's for you to find out. But it's going to be exciting kasi nga, diba, beach yung ano.
Pero milyo lang yun more. Okay, well, we'll find out soon. Okay, Roel.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Roel. More questions, siguro mga 3 to 5 and then we're good.
Partner, we have a question from The Fit and Fab. Ambet na.
Oy, Ambet, thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate ko na biglang hindi pala magtatanong. Pinabawi ko yung appreciation.
Oh, thank you.
Si Ambet ng DZMM.
Hindi, tanong ko si Luke. Kasi doon sa OMG, ano ka doon? Ikaw yung umaga na God, something. Tapos na ba yung ano mo dahil andito ka na sa...
Na-reveal na ba yun?
Oo.
Okay.
Ka nanonood
Hindi mo na-answer na.
Sa tingin ko may... sabi nila meron pa daw balik. Pero not so sure kung paano tatakbo yung story and kung sa mga locations kami pupunta. Pero I guess I'll just wait and see.
At traffic naman yun ng production.
Okay.
Yun na yun, Ambet?
Oh, good na.
Parang di masyado. Just lang. Okay, go
Yes, partner, we have a question from Mark Vincent Nunez.
Yes, hi. I would like to ask regarding the title ng series. Where did it came from? Kasi parang nare-recall ko, it's parang similar to the song that my mom used to
And I love you so. Charing ka na ba yun? John Denver ba?
Don McLean.
Don McLean. Saan galing yung title? Mr. Lindayag is the best person to answer that.
I think there's a movie,
Okay.
Bea Alonso's movie with Derek, of the same title, And I Love You So. It's the same song, the same title, but we have a different story. So, ganun.
So original material to ng Dreamscape direct.
Original material ng Dreamscape.
Okay. Thank you, John Michael Vincent.
Yeah, thank you, Mark. We have
Last
a
three
question.
questions na natin, Ayan.
Yes, partner. We have a question from Janine Cruz of Radyo Inquirer.
Ayan, Janine, hi.
Hello po, kay Miss Bing. Tsaka kay, kay...
Kaya mo yan, sina.